Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace side mirror glass Hyundai Elantra, only ways. Start by gathering gloves, adhesive, and replacement glass, and park safely on level ground. Remove the outer housing carefully by prying clips with a flat tool, watching for wiring. Clean the backing plate and remove old adhesive residue thoroughly, then apply new adhesive evenly and press the replacement glass firmly into place for a secure fit. Begin by tilting the mirror to access its inner edge, then use a flat plastic tool to pry the glass away slowly and safely. If the mirror is heated, disconnect the wiring connectors before removing the glass to avoid damage. Keep a towel under the mirror to catch any shards and dispose of broken glass properly. Clean all adhesive remnants from the backing plate with an appropriate solvent for a smooth bonding surface. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future how-to guides. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with practical DIY mindset shifts. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can explore it. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Apply a thin, even bead of adhesive to the backing plate, staying consistent with the product directions for curing time and temperature. Reconnect any heating element wiring carefully, then align the replacement glass and press it firmly into the backing plate until it seats. Hold steady and check that all clips engage. Allow the recommended cure time, then test mirror adjustment and heating to confirm everything works correctly before driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.